Have you ever wondered what microscopic worlds exist right under our noses? Today, we're diving into a hidden universe that springs to life with just a single drop of water in a microscope. Prepare to be amazed. It all starts with the humble drop of water. But this isn't just any water. It's a portal, a window into a bustling, dynamic world, teeming with life, invisible to the naked eye. When you place a single drop under the microscope, what you see is a revelation. First, let's talk about what makes up this hidden world. Water itself isn't just H2O. It's a complex environment. It contains dissolved minerals, gases, and most importantly, life. You'll find bacteria, single-celled organisms, and tiny algae all going about their daily lives. Then there are the microscopic creatures. These are the stars of our show. Imagine tiny, bustling cities, each organism a citizen in its own right. There are paramecia, slipper-shaped organisms constantly moving and feeding. You might see rotifers, miniature animals with rotating crowns of cilia, creating whirlpools to draw in food. And of course, there are the diatoms, single-celled algae with intricate glass-like cell walls. They come in all shapes and sizes, resembling tiny works of art. The behavior of these microorganisms is fascinating. They eat, they reproduce, they interact with each other. Some are predators, hunting down smaller organisms. Others are scavengers, breaking down organic matter. It's a microcosm of the larger world, with its own ecosystems and food chains. You'll witness movement, feeding, and even reproduction. Watch as a paramecium engulfs bacteria, or a diatom gracefully glides through the water. The microscope reveals not only the presence of life, but also its beauty. The intricate structures of these tiny organisms are stunning. The delicate patterns on diatom shells, the rhythmic beating of cilia, the graceful movements of flagella. These are all testaments to the incredible diversity and complexity of life at the microscopic level. So, the next time you see a puddle, a drop of rainwater, or even the water in your fish tank, remember the hidden world that awaits. With a microscope, a single drop of water becomes a portal to an extraordinary universe. A reminder that life in all its forms is all around us, waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching and keep exploring.